Hello everybody. Today is Saturday, April the 5th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright and this is the weekend Elliottwave video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over the risk disclaimer. Okay, let's jump right into the markets. We currently have two open trades. Those are the long euro pounds as well as the short Aussie yen. I will not only speak about those trades, but then we'll also chat about what we are looking for as we kick off next week's session. Okay. Um, Looking at the markets, what we see, first of all, with the euro pound is still held up by the ascending 4-hour trend line that has been intact since the 81.57 lows, and we are now looking for new highs above the 84 figure. At the same time, ASEAN appear very interesting to say the least, as it has held the 161.8% Fibonacci retracement, and we are looking for additional downside risk on the pair as it really clears that trend line resistance, that steep trend line resistance, and not to overlook the fact that we do have deep RSI divergence. Okay. So looking for a downside in the Aussie yen, and then we are also looking for a 4-hour break on the Kiwi yen early next week. If the Kiwi yen can make a 4-hour close below this trend line, we will be eyeing shorts, and then looking for about that 85 area. Okay. Um, Now another interesting setup is the Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar, from a Ichimoku Kinko Ohio standpoint, has cleared the cloud, signaling for downside risk, and at the same time the future cloud is also bearish, indicative of shorts. Okay. So let's keep a close eye on the Kiwi dollar from both levels, and then away from that, in terms of a top picking zone with a Fibonacci, if it could get up to 86.30, I would like those shorts. That's a 61 fib, and also a clean retest on the breakout of that zone. Okay. Minus that, euro dollar, I'm gonna stay pat for now, but if I could get some upside above 138, I like that for longs. So with us looking for possible euro dollar upside break and Aussie dollar downside, that gives us euro Aussie. We did indeed get stopped out of the initial longs, but in my opinion, this is a fourth wave breakout that we recently saw outside of this triangle. Right, we were initially looking for longs on this level, but broke out to the downside, but made new lows, and then again we had some divergence. So with us looking for Aussie yen short, Kiwi yen short, and a possible Kiwi dollar short, looking for a reversal on Euro Aussie, nothing really that clear just yet. So let's just stay pat for now, but then start looking for formations on the Euro Aussie. The Euro Kiwi, a bit holding up versus the Euro Aussie, and that gives us the cross of the Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, staying pat for now. I remember getting stopped at break even around the lows, and then really start to see some headwinds here. Possible A, B, C wave breakout to the top side. But just in my opinion, the bigger move is for the Aussie Kiwi longs. So I'm just gonna stay pat, look to see how things really begin to filter out, and then look to add on and get on board with the Aussie Kiwi. All the other yen pairs, just for correlation purposes, breaking down across the board. CAD yen, this is the pound yen. I was actually watching the pound yen. Should have entered. This would have been a ideal spot, 173 for shorts, as it held the top edge resistance. But in the future, looking for 169.40. I don't rule out a test, a possible bounce, and then a breakout. Looking bigger for the yen futures to really start to gain headway. Okay, lows, clear divergence that has been intact since January 2013, and looking for a breakout above 9.9 about to really start to gain some weight to the top edge. At the same time, you'll see the same thing across the board with all yen pairs. So if you are bullish, stay cautious. I will be updating the RTM, which is the retail trader meter. I'll be updating that later on over the weekend. So for those members, it will be posted in the chat room and also in the RTM section of the members area. Alright, so let's see how that comes out. I'll be doing a moving average update tomorrow, so I'll look at the market from a moving average standpoint. But from an Elliottwave standpoint, I really do like yen for longs, at least for now, and then looking forward to a possible Kiwi dollar short at higher levels according to the Kinko Ohio standpoint. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for watching the weekend Elliottwave video, and good luck trading. Have a great weekend.